Makes me sick. Hi guys. No, it's not Winnie. It is Chantel from House of Lineage. Welcome back. On today's video, did you guess the theme? Yeah, it was witches, with a particular special nod to those three Sanderson sisters from, you guessed it, Hocus Pocus. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely adore this film. I wait for it every single year, and it really sets the tone for the month and that magical night, the 31st of October, Halloween. Just like in the movie, we get the opportunity to dress up, have a little party with family and friends, and stuff ourselves sick with sweeties. And this year is no different. I will be decorating the home, I will be having games for me and my children, and we will be having a good old boogie down, pretending we're in that big ballroom, Madonna comb boobs, high ponytail, you know what I mean, and we will be singing our hearts out to the TV to I Put a Spell on You. Don't all run at once with the music contract, guys. But this is what I shall be doing. And today is just the start of it. I have already decorated my home for autumn, as you've seen in the autumn porch decor video. And now it is time to swap it all over for Halloween. So where I am moving away from more neutral colours, more autumnal themes, foliage, I am now swapping things out for big, bold colours, lots of props and lots of scary things, webs, spiders, bats, and a few hanging hats in the meantime. So I would like to share with you this decorating video, and if you would like to know where anything is from, comment below and I will be sure to tell you. If you would like to know any tutorials on how I made things, again comment below and I will upload those videos. I can also do a house tutorial sometime soon with all the different decor if that's something you'd like to see, before I change up for winter and then for the Christmas season, because before we know it, it will be Christmas. I think it's something like maybe 58, 59 days, because I'm not counting. But it is indeed Christmas soon. So be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it, if you are interested in any of the designs I have used, if you like any of the props, then please do give it a big like and consider hitting subscribe. And as soon as I start to change the decor over for everything else, again I'll be videoing that, and I will video some different things I have made, including some house tours on everything before I change everything over and renovate the house top to bottom. We are getting a full extension built, rooms are getting ripped out, walls are getting changed round, so I'll be sure to upload that all and share it with you. Now, every year I do have a theme. As I said, this year it is witches, but I am already thinking about next year's theme. I have a few ideas in mind that I'm quite excited about, but if you guys have any ideas that you think that would be a really cool theme to use, then please comment below and let me know and I will be sure to check them out. And who knows, one of them may be the one I use and you can come back next year and check that out. There will be some giveaways coming up soon. I have lots of wreaths that we will be giving away, so again be sure to hit the subscribe button and we will be sending out some of those to one of the subscribers. And there will also be lots of things going up on our other social media platforms. So enjoy the video, guys. Thank you for visiting again and stay safe. I hope you get treated this season, not tricked.